Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this used 2020 edition Mercedes-Benz GLC AMG line coupe that just come complemented in the classic silver paintwork. Housing your 2-litre petrol engine and G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission with your 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for maximum traction in various road conditions. Top features do also include your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, power folding wing mirrors, and even your parking sensors for added protection, especially in those tighter parking spots. And for further convenience, you do have an electronic powered tailgate, revealing more than enough space for travel essentials. And step into luxury with a part leather upholstery with access to your pull down armrests and handy cup holders, followed in the front by your multifunctional steering wheel for further convenience whilst driving, and of course access to your central display using your below Mercedes controller. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, navigation and audio, with the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control features. Moving across, of course, you do have your Bluetooth connection alongside your navigation system to help you around those unfamiliar areas. And of course, you do have a wide selection of audio with your radio stations as well. And for further assistance, you do also have your on-screen assistance features, including your reversing camera and sensors, which will be activated when you are manoeuvring the vehicle, guiding you into those tricky maneuvers. You do also have all of your general vehicle information and light displays. Alongside your on-screen dual climate controls for a desired temperature, you do also have a tailored driving experience with a wide selection of driving modes, including your sport for more performance-based or eco for further efficiency. Followed below by further climate control options, hidden cup holders, and of course your central Mercedes controller and plenty of storage for personal belongings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.